Heyo, what is up everyone? PvP Gamer here. We are back on Charwell Farms. And we are just finishing the harvest. So, as you see, we have literally just finished. And yeah, we're going to go and sell all the wheat that we got. Let's hope it all fits in this one trailer. I think it will. Yeah, it will. Probably. Hopefully. But yeah, today is it's not all going to. God damn it. We have a decent amount of things to do today, like organization, selling some stuff and stuff like that. We'll tag that place and we will get on our way. Now, I still don't know where I'm going on this map, and that's not going to change for a little bit. But I think I should be able to figure it out. Oh, that's a pole. I am very good at driving, I swear. But yeah, we are. So I figured out we do have a silo. It's just up in the city. That's actually right up here. We could store stuff, but I mean, let's be honest, do we want to? Want to go through all that hassle? See, is that the town? Yep, that's a town. That's the shop. John Deere. So, yeah, let's see what we want to do with our fields, because we can technically make one of our grass fields a, arable. Could be good. I don't know anything that's not like a tractor is supposed to make it down that little ass road. But it's whatever. I'll make a bit of money here. And we will be on our way again. 14,000, not too bad, not too bad. Oh. Nope, nope, shit, nope. God, don't. Alright, don't run over people, probably not a good idea. So we will go back to the field, get the rest of the wheat out of the harvester, and we'll go put the harvester away. So we do own a farm that is right there. Well, technically that's just one of our farms that we can use. What is that? Pig farm? We'll turn left here. Luckily this tractor goes 32 miles per hour. So let's not miss our turn here. I think it's the one coming right up here. Yes, this is our turn. So we own that grass field right there. We own obviously this field that we're about to pull into. And we own 80 and 77. What is 77? Just a cultivated field right now? Not too sure. Let's check that. What is field 77? Yeah, just cultivated. Then grass, not harvested, cultivated. Alright. We do something with that. And then, what kind of farm is this? This sheep, ooh. We'll just cover this and just park it right here for now. Let's take the harvester, let's go put it away. And we do need to go get the header cart. Oh, we hit the visible barrier that's in the bush. Go GM detach. Alright, and let's get the header. Alright, let's go. So let's see, we'll put this in the shed. Why not? We might as well make it a little pain for us to get this out of. Seems like one of my better ideas, so let's do it. If I can turn the right way into here. Whew. The header's going to fall off the trailer, watch. This was not a good idea, but you know what, we'll leave it for now. Oh, oh. Oh my god. Oh, 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 no. Alright, you know what, yeah, okay. Hmm. 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 I see what happened. Alright, well, I think that's fine for now. Well, yeah, you know, yeah, we'll leave that. Yeah, okay, bye. We were not here. We were never here. Alright, let's go get the tractor. Now, let's see. We need to go sell the rest of this green sometime. Probably not now. Let's just go back to our main farmyard, I guess you could call it. So, what don't we need? We are going to keep this plow. This mower seems alright for now. What is this? Just a cultivator? We might sell this cultivator. Because if we already have direct seeding, we'll keep that. This we can't do anything with. This we can't do anything with. If we have direct seeding, a cultivator won't be needed. This truck we're going to get rid of for a better one. This Massey 7719 we'll keep. Nothing in here. And then we should have a seeder, a drill over here. Yes, now I'm pretty sure this is a direct seeder if I'm not mistaken. Is this a Pronto 9? I can't read it. I think that's a direct seeder, but let's look. So 2 tractors, so we'll keep both of these. 280 and 210. Harvester we'll keep. We'll sell this. It will sell this. Yup, Pronto 9 we will keep. I do kinda wanna sell this mower. It's only, what, 4.3 meters? We'll keep it for now. Primarily because we kind of don't have an exact choice for a mower without spending a crap ton more money on one. So, can we carry the cultivator behind the truck? No. No, of course not. So we'll have to make 2 trips. And I'm going to put the grain trailer in this garage in front of me. Now this truck isn't exactly a bad truck. It's just that we have mods. And those mods are better truck mods than the base game trucks. Anyone on PC knows what I mean. I mean, anyone in general that watches farms and videos know what I mean. We do need to cut some of these trees down, like, not gonna lie. If we're going to keep this farm, I also want to plow up that little area right there, or just go over it with the landscaping tool after we cut down that tree, probably. This is a big ass shed right now. We'll just keep the tractor in here for now. Alright, let's go. You're coming with me. Now, like, this isn't, like, for a base game truck, this is not bad. Like, there have been worse. Maybe a pickup is not the exact, first thing on our list to get, but hey, you know what? Yeah, it is. Because, I mean, we don't exactly need anything right now. Ooh. So the dealer is right up here. It's probably inside, knowing how this map works. Yep, there it is. This truck did do me some good, but now we're selling it. We had to repair it first for $3. 27 grand off this truck. Now I bet you we could just go right in here. Look at this. This is nice. See, this is what more maps need. Something that's like, you know, that quality isn't the best. But hey, you know what? This is what more maps need. So a shop like this. Let's get. Oh, it's a John Deere. Would you look at that? Let's see. What do we want? That is the real question. The hell? Oh, it's like a base game. Oh wait, that is a base game on, isn't it? I mean, there's the van. We don't want a van. F450 might be good. F450 could be good, not with the camper, but you know. A diesel. Super Duty. Could go Super Duty. F250. Not really feeling it. Ranger. Raptor. We could. Not really a work truck. 250. F250. This is looking good. I might go for this. Ooh. This kind of has me there. Expendable F250. Ooh, we could go older. That is correct. We could. I mean, shit, it's cheaper. Um, yeah, Bronco's more of a fun truck. Ah, we could go Chevy K30. This would get the job done, and it would get it done good. This might be a... Ooh. This might be a buy with this flatbed. I'm sure it has straps. Alright, let's see what their F350. Kind of vibing with that. And the Silverado. No. You know what? I'm vibing with this K30. I think I'm vibing with it. Now, do we want the regular bed or the Bradford? Or you know what? This does look good with it, but I kind of like how this. Yeah, no, we'll go with the wood. We'll go with wood. Off-road, mud, rock, mud bean, you know, we'll go standard. Side steps. Ooh, I think I like it with. We'll go. Yeah. Chevy or GMC? Chevy, GMC, Chevy. Go with the out. Let's see out. We'll hit some expendables up on there. Hard preset standards, clear white, tank, victory. Ooh, ooh. Kind of vibing with this. $300. 235 horsepower. I don't even think we need anything else right now. Alright, let's get this 39,000. About the same price as the stock new truck. Let's buy it. Alright, where is it? Where is she? Do not enter. Authorized personnel only. Well, we entered from the backside. Ooh, there she is. There she is. Ooh, she's looking clean. Oh yeah, she looks clean. The trim is yellow. We're gonna have to change that really quick. Ooh, that sounds nice. Let's get this McDonald's trim out here. Customize. Where is the... Shitting me. You're playing with me, Smalls. Yep, without. Or yeah, with. Yep, yep. Yup, yup, yup. That's what we have right now, right? $0. There. What the fuck? Hey. Customize. Alright, you know what? You know what? Standard. Okay. Is that gonna make you happy? Body. Flatbed. Customize. Yes. Thank you. Alright, let's get out this shop. Yeah, we're down that black smoke. Ooh. New truck to the farm. Oh my god. This thing does go fast. Yes indeed it does. Ooh, take that corner. Like a racing corner. Alright. I'll miss that turn. Beep. Beep. there's our turn. We're back with about as much money as we started off the video with, which, I mean, not too bad. We'll have a bit more in a sec. Alright, let's get the cultivator. Let's just drive the Massey here. It's a pretty nice Massey. Nothing to complain about, really. Alright, let's go. Ooh, not used to this mess yet. Alright. So, we are going to sell this, and then we're going to get out on the field, which means we'll probably have to go out and get seed. Actually, we do have a seed thing in our farm. We may need to get we're going to need to get fertilizer. May have to plow up the field. Not too sure. But what do we want to plant? I'm thinking canola. Canola does this well. Canola and something. Definitely canola though. Alright, now we're going to get a bit more money, aren't we? So ideally we want to back her up in here. Easy. Alright, I need to get to that. Alright. I'm playing your game today, game. Oh, come on. Alright, fine. There you have me now, game, that I'm standing right goddamn on top of it. Repair. Yes. Sell. Yes. Okay. Woo, 60,000. We're at $176,000 right now. So let's go, and we'll probably use this tractor to seed just because, you know, why not? Now I was debating on doing the bales, but it's not really needed. Not, yeah, no. It's not fertilized, and all we would do is to sell the bales, and since they're not fertilized, we wouldn't make basically at all any money back. So I'm opting to just not bale. Now with grass, yes, we are going to do grass bales. But let's go get the planter, shall we? Unless that is fertilizer right there, which it might be. Up is going to open this way and screw up my view. We do also have this little area right here which we can mow up. So let's grab this. We can expand our farmyard a little bit, I guess. But it's going to be a bit challenging, per se. Round to 9. So let's see. Ooh, let's do some. Yeah, let's do some oats and canola. Do canola on the. Speaking of the bigger field, which. Ooh, this is actually. Which field is bigger? I feel like 77 would be more of a baling type field. I have to go look at it. Let's go fill this up with seed and fertilizer. Now this might be the seed. I'm seeing seed pallets next to it. Here's the real question. Is there fertilizer? Lime, seed. No fertilizer, but we can fix that. Where is, will it be under miscellaneous? Multi-filling station might be good to get. Screw it, we're going to do that. You know what, let's, no, what the hell? Really need to stop selling mods. I don't know what the hell they're used for. Continuing on. I don't own this land. Are you goddamn shitting me? Well, I guess. Oh my god. I just want to find the little fields right there and there. I don't need all this land. God. Oh, I just unloaded it. You're going. So, like I was doing. Yep, nope, I can't put anything down on this farm. That is just fantastic. I can put it down on camp. One of these farms has to have a fertilizer thing. How much would this piece of land be? Oh, yup, okay. That's a bit more expensive. Lime. Don't make me go all the way. Damn crossing it. Farm silo, yes, that is where that is. Chicken, pig. Seeds tank. Alright, that's cool and fun. How much fertilizer does this hold? Up. 5,000, so well, I guess we can guess we could use the K30 a little bit. Let's go pick up some fertilizer pallets, shall we? The way this is looking, we're not going to be able to start seeding this episode. And we hit that pole. That damn pole got us like twice now. There. Ah, yeah, we got that one. I don't know if you guys can hear the sound of this amazing engine. Definitely a great truck to buy. Especially after getting rid of McDonald's. Alright, let's Williams, John Deere parking only. Anything else? Get the hell out of here. We'll get some big bags since they're easy. I'm guessing it's solid fertilizer. Uh-huh. Let's buy 2 of these. 1, 2. Alright, let's go and get these. Should be right around the corner. Yep. Alright, let's get these loaded up on here and I will see you guys after I get loaded up. Alright, so we got them loaded up on there and yeah, we definitely need a little trailer. I mean, we could fit 4 of these bad boys on here, but a trailer would be nice. yeah, I guess the first haul with this truck. Nothing too heavy, nothing too bad. I mean, I could feel her back there turning, but like, other than that, it's fine. Obviously, whenever I buy some land with the farm on it, obviously I will start putting stuff down to save some extra trips to the store. But, so technically we don't own a farm, we're just using a farm. Kinda weird. But hey, it's whatever. Alright. And let's just leave that here. This episode here. If you guys enjoyed, please hit that like button. And while you're down there, hit that subscribe button. And also that bell button so you get notified whenever I post a video. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day, guys.